The 50 elimination. Why Karan Patel quit show in first week? Is Rajat Dalal the reason? Jio Hotstar's newest reality show has managed to create a ripple on the internet within a week of launch. The 50 has been making waves courtesy of the twists and turns and a non-stop action inside the palace. The contestants have locked arms from the first day itself, engaging in battle of words. Things took a turn when Rajat Dalal attacked Digvijay Rati, charging at him. The fans condemned the physical violence, urging the makers to immediately kick Rajat out of the 50. While he continues to be part of the show, his antics have not changed. He is still not willing to learn from his mistakes. Yesterday, a video went viral where Elvish Yadav's friend Archit Kaushik was seen thrashing Maxton to the floor. The clip set several tongues as the contestant got involved in physical violence and no one bat an eyelid. Amid the hullabaloo over Archit Kaushik and Maxton's fight, there are rumors that the show has witnessed a shocking exit. Gossip mills have suggested that Karan Patel has quit the 50. The A.H. Mohabbatein actor, who is one of the most popular faces of the show, has decided to leave. What's the reason behind his exit? According to reports in Hindustan Times, the Kasturi actor expressed his displeasure over the continuous flow of violence in the show. Just like the audience, he was also surprised at the way few contestants were charging at each other. Karan Patel reached the breaking point on the 50 following a clash between Rajat Dalal and Digvijay Rati. Karan was heard speaking in frustration, "It's affecting my mental peace and I can't be living in a place where violence erupts." Karan then said, "I am quitting," and left the argument, a source told Hindustan Times. Karan didn't mince his words while showcasing his frustration over a few issues with fellow contestants from day one of the show. As the Rajat Dalal attacked Rati, the actor condemned the incident. Since challenging that violence, Karan has been reactive to later situation. Karan Patel joins the list the 50 eliminated contestants: Vanshad Singh, Saurabh Ganjar and Sumaira Sheikh. It remains to be seen if he will make a comeback to the show or not.